I am Pratul Chandra Nath, came at Bengaluru on 8 February 2024 with my wife, Mrs. Meera Nath Choudhury, for treatment at Ayushman Ayurveda Center at Indiragar. I suffering from few months knee arthritis, and my wife is suffering from 3 years by Parkinson's disease. I treated at Ayushman Ayurveda Center for 5 days, and I am also satisfied by treatment. My wife can't work for 1 year, but now my idea 60% recovery about working. All staffs of Ayushman Ayurveda Center are cooperating with us. Don't know everybody's name, but Krishna Priya, first to last, she give her service for ourselves. Thank you, Ayushman Ayurveda.